What if we told you that you can make money just by clicking? You can earn $5, $10, and even $20 over and over again just by clicking. You may be thinking that these are just small numbers, but imagine being able to save up all of your 20s and eventually making up to $300 per day. Imagine also being able to cash out your $300 right away and through all very convenient payment options like PayPal, bank transfer, and even Bitcoin. This website is completely free without any hidden fees. This website needs no cash advancements whatsoever. You don't need to have any skills or experience, and they're slowly becoming available to 1 million other countries. We are very excited to share this website with all of you today, while also sharing some bonus tips and tricks that will easily double and even triple your earnings. Make sure that you watch this whole video from start to end without skipping any parts so that you don't miss a single detail and so that you can successfully earn your $300. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first step to today's method is to go on your default browser, and then we want you to go ahead and type in enrollapp.com. This is what you should see on your screen next. As you can see, it says, "Let's make the world a better place. Be heard, not part of the herd." Now, of course, the first thing that you will need to do is sign up. And to do so, you're just going to fill in your email over here and then password, and then it will ask you to confirm password, and then you should agree to the terms and conditions. And when that is all done, you can then proceed to click enroll now. Now, once you've clicked on enroll now, you will need to verify your account by logging into your email account to confirm that the email that you used is a working email. So go ahead and do that, and then you will be brought to this page right here. Now remember that this method is completely legit as it is free. It's very popular among people as well. It's the most convenient way to earn money, all from the comfort of your own home. As we mentioned earlier, you don't need to invest anything, you don't need any skills or experience whatsoever. You can do this repeatedly and it will only take a few minutes of your time. So follow closely because we are going to be walking you through all the steps of this whole process. So once you see this, you go ahead and fill in your first name and last name and then confirm that you aren't a robot and then click continue. Then you're going to be right away be met with a challenge already. So you need to complete the missions in order to earn points that will be exchanged to cash. They're going to ask to get to know you and then ask a few details. They're going to ask for your PayPal because that's how they will pay you. They're going to ask about the languages that you can speak, your phone number, where you live, your availability, and on this part you can choose according to how often you are available to get tests and complete missions, your gender, your highest educational attainment, your day job or what you're currently doing if you have any, your top job skills, any source of income that you have had in the past or you have now if there are any, your top hobbies if there are any, some more questions that you need to answer, and then finish registration. As you can see, you are approved. Now this is officially your dashboard. As you can see, hi, let's make the web a better place today. Keep it up on your daily questions. You're making some serious progress towards your next mission. And over here, you will be your mission progress in percentage. So this is the progress of the missions that you've taken and completed, or you're going to be currently taking up. This is how you will know. As you can see, I still have no points and my progress is still at 0% because I haven't taken any tests and my account is very new. So in order for you to actually make progress and start receiving tests or missions to complete, you need to be given tests in order to receive tests. You should answer the polls over here and answer as many as you can, so that the website can determine what type of tests would be the best one for you to take and actually learn from. So you just keep answering until you receive a test, which should pop up over here. So make sure that you really watch over that as well. Now remember, when we mentioned that we were going to be giving our special tips and tricks to double or even triple your earnings, this is the part where we do so. We discovered this trick all on our own, so you're not going to hear this anywhere else. If you stayed until this part, and if you plan on staying until the very end, which we think you should do, comment down below what has been your favorite part of the video so far. Here is how you're going to double or even triple your earnings. The step of answering as many polls as you can is very crucial, because without this, you won't actually make any progress or receive any points. You're going to have to answer these polls because aside from the tests that you will be taking up, you're also going to earn just from answering poll questions. So make sure that you answer, because the more polls, then the more progress, and the more money will be paid straight into your PayPal account or bank account or even Bitcoin. Now you will also get bigger and more fitting projects for yourself if you answer the polls, because you'll get what you want and you'll get what pays the most. So make sure that you do that. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Now let's go ahead and explore this website more. So if you want to go and see all the polls that you have answered all in all, then you can actually go over here. Just follow our screen and then you'll see some options like profile, professional profile, test preferences, account settings, poll questions, test history, product updates, help center, and sign out. Those are the options there. And to see all of the answered poll questions, you should click on poll questions. Over here is where you will see all of the polls that you've already answered, and like we mentioned, the more polls and tests that you answer and complete, the more money you will accumulate over time. If you go on over to achievements, you will obviously see your achievements. You'll see your progress, you'll see your total badges, total points, your mission, and all of the icons of your badges. Like we mentioned, we have none because our account is relatively new, so that we can really walk you through everything and so that you won't be confused. If you go on financials, then this is where you will see all of your earnings as well as the payout date over here, so you know when to expect your earnings to come in. So this website is pretty much does the job all in all. There is no hassle, plus it's a very quick and easy way to learn money. What more could you ask for? Another special tip is to always log into your account. If you can do it daily, then it's the best that you do so, because by logging in daily, you can also earn. So if you take the tests, answer polls, and if you're active daily as well, all of that will be credited. Now, if you want to triple those earnings, then this is the ultimate key to being able to do so. Go ahead and click on the website settings over here and then choose test preferences. Now on the devices I can test on setting, we want you to choose all three. And the reason behind that is because the more devices that you choose that you are able to test on, the more tests and polls and missions you can do, which means the more money that you can earn. So make sure that you follow this step. Then on testing availability, We know we mentioned that you just choose specific times to send you tests whenever it is convenient for you, but really the best way to increase your earnings is to really choose to be sent tests as soon as there are any available, because in that way you can take more tests and earn more. And since it won't take more than 10 minutes to do so, it won't be a bother to your day, and you can easily and quickly do this, and then you're earning. In that way, you won't be losing any chances in earning money. So make sure that is what you choose as well. Make sure that the notifications box is ticked, because you would want to be the first to know if there are tests again, so you can be the one to earn that money first. And then make sure you save those changes, or else those changes won't be made and you won't be able to actually earn the way we taught you. And that is why it's very important that you follow everything closely and correctly. So don't forget to always try and do as much tests, polls, missions, and daily logins so that you can see the results in full effect, the same way that we taught you in today's video. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.